This 15-minute Tai Chi workout helps you burn belly fat, relieve back pain, and improve balance. Gentle, no jumping, just smooth movements that leave you feeling lighter, stronger, and more comfortable. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Lower your arms as you rise from the bent knee, then open them gently behind you. Let your chest lift and breathe naturally. Exercise 2. Three, two, one, begin. Keep your hands together as you rotate gently to the side. Open through the shoulders and chest, letting the stretch feel smooth and comfortable. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Open your arms wide from the center, allowing the chest to expand gently. Keep your shoulders relaxed and let the movement feel light and spacious. Exercise 4. Three, two, one. Join me. Lift one knee as both arms sweep overhead in a smooth, flowing motion. Stay balanced and let your whole body rise with ease. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Step forward lightly and extend both hands ahead with smooth control. Stay centered over the standing leg and keep your balance steady. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Move with me. Rise from the low stance as your crossed arms open wide to the sides. Let your chest expand and move with a smooth, easy rhythm. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Sweep one arm overhead as you bend gently to the side. Lengthen through your body and keep the movement smooth and relaxed. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Reach one hand toward the opposite leg as the other arm extends back. Move across the body smoothly and stay grounded through your stance. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Join me.
Open your arms wide and sweep them overhead as you rise. Keep the motion fluid and let your whole body feel light and open.
Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Follow along. Lift one knee as your arms open into a relaxed guard position. Stay tall over the standing leg and keep your balance steady. Exercise 11. Three, two, one. Move with me. Turn smoothly to the side as one palm sweeps forward and across. Let your torso follow naturally and keep the movement relaxed. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Step forward with light, steady rhythm, and let your arms swing naturally. Stay upright and relaxed as you move smoothly from one step to the next. Great job completing today's Tai Chi practice. In just 15 minutes, you've supported a stronger body, eased back tension, and taken another step toward better health. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next session.